Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem they gave us today, they gave us an isosceles triangle. If you've been following my things, you'll know that an isosceles triangle has two equal sides, but also the opposite angles from those sides are equal too, okay? So they told you that. Okay, let's get this pen going. And so let's look at the problem, okay? The answer is x plus y equals. Okay, so they want to know x and they want to know y, and they want to know, add them together, what they are. Okay, so they're telling you that this angle here is 50 degrees. Okay, so following the isosceles triangle, that means this angle is 50 degrees too. 50 degrees. Okay, 50 degrees for that angle. Now, we know a straight line is 180 degrees. 180. We know that. That's one of our other rules we learned. Okay? So that means if this inside angle is 50 degrees, the angle x is 180 minus 50, or 130. So angle x equals 130. Okay? So we know that. So now, but we also know that a triangle, all three angles equals 180. Okay, all three angles. Okay? So if two of the angles equals 50, that means we got, let's see, we got angle, okay, let's just use the ones that they have in the triangle above. So we got E, F, and D. So if angle D and F equals 100, we know the whole triangle is 180. So that means angle E at the top, which is y equals 80. Okay, now I looked at like the answers that a lot of people have put online for this question, and truthfully, that's how they kind of left it. A lot of people left x and y. X is 130 and y is 80. So I'm sure if you look at a test, a multiple choice test, I'm sure one of the answers is going to be x equals 130 and y equals 80. And that's going to be one of the answers. But that's not the question. The question is x plus y, okay? The question is that. So you have to actually add these two together. So you got a 0, 1, 210. So the answer is 210, okay? And I'm sure on a multiple choice test, you're going to see the answer x equals 130, y equals 80. That'll be number A. But then when you look down at D or something, D's going to say 210. And truthfully, a lot of times, then they might have a 200, a 205, so they're going to try to throw you off. And a lot of students might look and say, oh, hey, what's a 210 and what's a 205 for? And, that don't mean anything. So I'm going to stick with the x equals that, and, but that's not the correct answer. The correct answer is 210, okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this with your friends that like math problems, okay? And maybe it'll help them out, okay? Because a lot of times they can be tripped up on these questions, and they put answers on that do trip you up, okay? You got to read the whole thing and say, hey, what are they really looking for? What are they looking for? Have a great day now, guys. Take care. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.